Hey, everybody. Sorry. Hey, little outlaws, gaming outlaw, back here, bringing you guys another, bringing you guys a vlog, I guess, today. I know I don't do the everyday vlogs. I do the whatever I feel like vlogs. So, there's my dog. But I found this was pretty interesting today because my cat. I never see my cat, okay? My cat's name is Mocha. I'm at my dad's house right now. But anyways, I never see my cat. Yeah, I know. I like camo. But this is my cat. I never see my cat. My cat is either under my bed or she's hiding. So, that's my cat. So, yeah. But I'm going to show you guys what I mean by, she lives under my bed. Can you see that? No, I guess you guys can't really see that, eh? Bad lighting or something, I guess, eh? Anyways, there's a hole right through the bottom of my box spring where she sleeps. But yeah, I figured today I'll just make you guys a quick video because I'm kind of bored here. I don't know what to do, but I'm going to give you guys a video and I'm going to show you what my pellet gun here looks like. I'll show you guys my pellet gun. For those of you that don't know, right, I have a pellet gun. I got a Ruger. The camera's not focusing. There we go. But for you guys that don't know pellet guns, a Ruger, I believe, is one of the best makes there is. Yeah, I keep it in this, gun case that you could probably put a 308 in, but I don't. Pellets, see? Pellets in there. I thought, okay, I'll show you guys now. Okay? So here it is. It's a Ruger Black Max. Give me a second here. If you're wondering why I have this camouflage bandana here over the scope, it's because I don't want the scope to get damaged or unsighted, because I believe I have it sighted in pretty good right now. But this is it. See? Now, no guys, this is not a suppressor, it's just, I think it's extra barrel protection because this thing is actually pretty loud. But, safety's not even on. That's odd. I always turn the safety on when I put it in here. For those of you guys that are just getting used to a Ruger, or just getting used to pellet guns, if you have about $250, sometimes they go on sale for like $125 or something like that, you know, I suggest buy yourself a Ruger Black Max. I don't suggest it though if you live in Barrie or something. You just want something to shoot off your back deck onto a fence or something. I would recommend this. I'd recommend like a Daisy lever action. They're nice. But this I'd recommend for this will shoot across almost 2-foot football fields. But I don't know if you guys can see this. This is my yard. But, so I don't have the biggest yard. It's probably not even really safe to shoot this here, but I still do because I have a stainless steel target that I shoot at. So, and I shoot into the tree, so I don't have to worry about hitting anybody because this house is behind us here. Just gotta be safe. But yeah, it's got a 4x32 zoom scope on there. It's got guard. It's got the pad in here, but there's actually storage in the back of the pad here, all here. It's all storage, and I guess you can store your pellets or something in there. But, what the heck's all over my gun right here? I don't know, actually. But I was thinking maybe I'll take you guys out, and we'll take a couple shots at the tree just so you guys get to know what it sounds like, kind of. It is a lot louder in real life than it is on video, because the video is kind of suppressed sound. So, yeah, this is the case I got here. And then, if you guys are wondering what this is, this here is for sunny shooting. I guess maybe if you took this thing squirrel hunting, I don't like. I would never probably squirrel hunt with this, but yeah. So this is here, so you see the yellow, I believe. Yeah, so that in the sun you don't get the glare through your sights when you're trying to hunt, or you're trying to shoot something or something like that. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go find it if I can shoot it here. Okay guys, so it is raining actually, but I'm still going to take you guys out. But I recommend this gun here because it's quite easy to set in. It comes with a manual and everything to teach you how to use this, how to dial in the scope. And this scope here, I don't know if you guys can see right in there, but there's like a little rail right there. So you can move your scope forward if you loosen these Allen keys. I like mine far back because I'm 11 and I don't have the longest arms in the world. So if you're above 12, I suggest getting this one because it's powerful enough that you're not, your friends will tease you like, oh, your gun's so weak and everything. So I recommend getting this one, but it's not so strong that like I'm sure this could kill somebody if you shot them with it on purpose. Like if you shot them in the stomach or in the chest or shot them in the head, I'm sure it would kill them. But I don't believe that it would kill them if like you shot them in an arm where, say if you had like a .308 sniper rifle and you shot them in the arm, or it'd kill them for sure. But I got two other ones. Oh, look at how wet it is outside on my deck. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's go get some shoes. Just some flippy flops here. Vlogging. What I got here for sandals? Here we go. These are my cowboy boots. I got a pair of nice brown ones that I wear every day, and then I got a pair of nice red ones. I wear those 1 week, and then I wear the other ones the other week. Switch it up a bit. I'm looking actually to get spurs for my other ones, but I've actually been looking to get a go-kart. Oh, it looks to be raining a little bit. Hopefully the camera here doesn't get too wet. I'm only going to take like 2 shots because I'm actually going back to my mom's today. So I should be able to make some more gaming videos. But I recommend this gun to you because I wouldn't recommend it to you if you're a weakling, because it's quite hard to break the barrel because it's a break action. But all you do is you break the barrel. I haven't oiled this. I haven't used it much, so see if I can open this pill ball right here. And if you're wondering why I keep my pellets in a pill ball, just because mainly because it's handy, but also because I keep my gun in its case under my bed. And I don't have a lock on my case. I should, but I don't. I have a lot of younger cousins, and I don't want any of them, if they come in my room or anything, to be shot. Like play with it or anything, get hold of pellets and eat them or anything, because they probably will kill them. Okay, so as you can see, I got some trailers in the back there. Can I zoom in? See that group of trees right there? Yeah, but the middle one in between the boat and the pontoon trailer, we're gonna shoot right there. Safety off. I'm not very good at this, okay? So it's been a while. You guys gonna get to hear about how loud it is. So it is quite loud. I did hit the tree, But, yeah, I recommend this gun. And just in case you didn't, I don't think, actually, to be honest, though, guys, I can, because it's raining right now, I don't want to get the gun all wet. Give me a second here to break it. There we go. Yeah, if you're like 12 years old, you probably will need 2 hands to break this, which I guess is kind of good and safe, because that way, younger cousin or younger brother, if you have a really young brother or something, doesn't get a hold of it, get shot or anything, it's hard to break. Because I told you guys that I'm 12. Well, I turned 12 in October. October 8th is actually my birthday, so. But it weighs in at about almost 8 pounds. So it is pretty heavy. Oh no, I don't want to shoot the boat. Miltress. Same tree. 3, 2, 1. Hit it again. See, so you guys are aware that this is a very strong pellet gun. And yeah, just show you how I put mine away. And I suggest that if you get one, that you put it away about the same way. You don't have to use a bandana, like a camouflage bandana or anything like that. I suggest even, sure, you'll have like a kitchen or something here at your house. So just grab like a tea towel, or like even like a dishwashing rag or something like that. So I'll give you a quick peek at one. Just something like this here even works too. Just small enough to wrap your scope in. Suggest that for actually any gun with a scope. But here we go. Oh. Try not to hit the wall here. Give me a second here to put the lid on the pellet. Okay guys, so that's about it. Normally, if I shoot the gun and it gets wet or something, because my grandpa gave me this for my birthday and it's really expensive. But this is I like to take a lot more care of it. And I recommend you don't have your parents buy you this. Ask like a family member, like a grandpa or grandma or something. Or just buy it yourself, because I find when you actually buy something yourself, or you have like a family member that doesn't have a whole ton of money that I notice that you'll treat it better. So, but I'm just gonna get this bandana here under the bottom of the gun. It is 8 pounds. And then I know you guys probably are like, well, that's not a lot, 8 pounds, but for a pellet gun, it actually is a lot. So, I'm making a video. That's okay. But, I got the scope here raveled up pretty good. Oh, no, actually. It's probably this Aggie foam thing here in the gun case. It never really stays in place. I've actually thought about hot gluing it down, but I have another case. My dad here actually has the exact same gun. Just, he's just in my other case right now. I got a like a soft case, a kind that's zipper, easier to get into. Much lighter duty, doesn't protect it as well, but it's better than having it out in the open getting scratched, for sure. So, now you guys know how I kind of put it away right over the scope so it doesn't get off or scratched, because that's the worst thing, is if your scope gets scratched, it's hard to aim, get a good shot. But, put the pellets in there, and yeah, so I think maybe next week, if I'm at this house, when I'm at this house, again, I will shoot you guys another, I guess I wouldn't even call this one a vlog. I guess I'll call it, revealing, I don't know, something something showing off my pellet gun or what kind of pellet gun you should buy or something like that. I'll do kind of like a recommendation name or something. So, got my camouflage long sleeve for the week. But, yeah, so that's it for today's vlog. Cat, dog, and just go outside here, do my closing. Okay, everybody, so as you can see, this isn't the best weather. It's kind of crappy out. It's really wet out. It's been raining all day, last 2 days actually. But we're getting, it's okay. So don't forget to keep it country and tune in to the next video for more videos. I think I might do a gaming video later today, but I gotta upload this here now. So yeah, by the time you guys actually do get to see this, I'll probably already be at my mom's and making another video. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, keep it country. Out.